Question 21. On the grid, draw the graph x squared plus y squared is equal to 169. The equation that you need to know for circles is x squared plus y squared is equal to the radius squared. The radius squared here is 169. So to find the radius, I square root both sides, so r is going to be equal to 13. So the center of that circle, because there's nothing extra here, is going to be at 0, 0, and the radius is at 13. So if that's my center, and the radius is 13, that will be one of the points at 13, that will be another point, that will be another point, and that will be another point. I just need to draw a circle that's going through all of these points. That's the circle done. Use your graph to find estimates for the solutions of the simultaneous equations x squared plus y squared is equal to 269, and we've already drawn that on. And then we've got 2y is equal to 3x. I'm going to rearrange this, so we've got y is equal to something. We need to divide both sides by 2, so y is equal to 3 over 2x. That's my gradient. So one of the points is going to be at 0, 0 because there's no y-intercept. Let's plot a few points on so that we can draw that line. So when x is 2, we need to multiply it by 1.5 to find my y value. So 2 multiplied by 1.5, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times by half is 1, so 2 add 1 is 3. Same here, 4 add half of 4 is 6. 6 plus half of 6, which is 9. I can do the same things in my negatives, so I've got 2 and negative 3, so negative 2, negative 3. Then I have negative 4, negative 6, and negative 6, negative 9. So really you only need 2 or 3 points and then you can draw your line, but it's just useful to get a few. Now that I've got my straight line, to solve these simultaneous equations graphically, all I do is I look for where they cross or intersect with each other. So I need to write down the coordinates of those points. I'm finding this coordinate and I'm finding this coordinate. So with this one, the x coordinate is between 6 and 8. There are 5 gaps. That's equal to 2, so each gap will be equal to 0.4. If I count here, I'm going across by 1, 2, 3. So 3 times by 0.4 is 1.2, and add that on to 6. So that would be x is equal to 7.2 for that coordinate. For this one, it's going up again in 0.4s, and it's 2 above that. So 10 add 0.4 times by 2 would be 10.8. So y would be 10.8. And if I take a look at this coordinate, it's the same, but it's just negatives. My x value could be positive and negative 7.2. And my y value would be positive and negative 10.8.